Yes. Now we are starting with set B. Metric structure not right now. Set B. Leadership role. It is a play. Play by manager for strategy execution. Page number 5.51. Leadership role. Play by manager for strategy execution. Very important answer. See here. Managers have dash to play in pushing for good strategy. Are you getting my point? Now consider that company has decided to expand the business to. So company has decided to expand the business. Correct? Correct. Consider like that company has decided to expand the business. So what is the role of manager in executing the strategy? Leadership role play by manager in pushing for strategy execution. Now there are total 5 points in this. Listen now, each and every point. First point, he is the manager, so he has to be always on the top and he should see what is happening. So manager is always on the top and what is happening he will see. He will closely monitor the progress. He will solve all out issue and learning what obstacle lie in the path of good execution. He will even learn from that obstacle and he will solve the issues. If you want to be a manager, always remember solving out issue, that is the main point. Be a solution provider. Solving out issues. Next, he is the manager. He will promote a culture of esprit de corps. Esprit de corps means teamwork. He will make a culture like a good teamwork, so that mobilize and energize organization member to execute the strategy and giving them full support to execute the strategy. Don't mark anything, just listen I told. Later we have to do. Keeping the organization responsive to changing condition. Responsive to changing condition means what? If environment is suddenly demanding, then even company will follow that. If environment is stable, company will follow that. Are you getting my point? Are you getting my point? He will make organization alert. If there is any new opportunity, grab it. Are you getting my point? Bubbling with innovative ideas. Manager will always have some innovative ideas, will always ask employees also to give some innovative things, ideas. He will always remain ahead of rivals. Are you getting my point? Remain ahead of rivals. Whatever he do the work, he will do everything ethically. And he will conduct its affairs like a model corporate citizen. He will help to push corrective actions to improve strategy execution. Now listen here. Take a book and a pen. Give heading. Leadership role. Just give heading main work. Main work. Right. Leadership role. To play by managers in pushing for good strategy execution. In pushing for good strategy execution. What is the question? Leadership role play by manager in pushing for good strategy? Yes or no? Now listen here. Now listen here. Don't talk. Now, rather than 5 points, we will stretch these answers to 9-10 points. Give numbering 1 to 9. है मुझको ऐसे जीने में. Done? Yes or no? Now listen here. Listen up. I will do some action. You have to find the answer from this 5 point only. It can be any sub point also. Ready? Ready? First action. This is top. Remain ahead of rivals. Are understood? Do with me action. 1. This is ahead. Are understood? Are understood? Remain ahead of. Right, first point. Remain ahead of rivals. This answer comes in question answer, case study, everywhere. So we had done this point. Remain ahead of rivals. 1 minute. Done? Second point. Listen here. Closely monitoring the progress. Closely monitoring the. Third point. Listen here. Listen, huh? Very simple point. Abe bubbling. How you do action of bubbling? Ideas come from here, na? Bubbling. Bubbling. Are understood? Bubbling with innovative ideas. Bubblu, right? Bubbling with innovative ideas. ये लोग जानते नहीं ऑनलाइन कुछ भी. Bubbling with innovative ideas. In Mumbai, the favorite word is bubbling. If I do like this, bubbling, bubbling, bubbling. Now listen here. Guys, if you are watching the video, send me WhatsApp, write in YouTube comment bubbling. So I will understand that you people are watching the video. Very good. Bubbling. Now listen. Next. Staying on top. Right. Staying on top, what is happening? Now listen. Listen here. Response as per changing condition. Are understood? So managers will make organization responsive. Responsive means adaptive as per the changing environment. तेरी ओर तेरी ओर हाय रब्बा. Done? Done? Okay, next. Very easy. Alert new opportunity. Opportunity is there, grab it like that. Done? Yes or no? Very easy point. Teamwork. Esprit de corps. Suhani has very good teamwork. Full supportive members. MLA. Esprit de corps. Just write esprit de corps and make two arrow. Mobilize and energize. की बजाए पीछे सड़क पर है मार मेरा दिखाए वो करके इशारे वो लड़की आंख 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 वो लड़की आंख 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 वो लड़की आंख मारे. Now listen, leaders listen. Now listen. Very important point. I will do everything ethically, like a model corporate citizen. Are correct? Just write ethical leadership. And arrow and write model corporate citizen. पीछे सड़क पर है मार मेरा दिखाए वो करके इशारे की आंख मारे. Ready? Just write one point. How many points done? Write one more point. Solving out issues. Now what is the heading? Write one more point. Point number 10. What is the heading? Leadership role play by manager in pushing strategy execution. Now listen, point number 10. Why I have written this point number 10 as the last? Pushing strategy execution. That is the head point. Not understood? But pushing what? In between there is a CA. CA. Pushing CA, strategy execution. Pushing corrective actions for strategy execution. That manager will do. Are they correct? Correct. Yes. Write it fast. Alamin. Remote there. Very hot. You know what? I believe in one thing. What you know? Not karma. Later I will tell. Recording is on. Pushing corrective action to improve strategy. Now listen. Flip your page. Oh, chilli. Give heading. Leadership role play by manager in pushing strategy execution. Done. Can't hear. Now listen here. Give 10 numbers, 10 points. Give 10 points, 10 numbers. Done? Now listen here. Now listen here. Listen. I will do action. Again, you have to find it on your own. Are you correct? But now without seeing the answer. 10 points. Randomly I will tell, but you will write point wise. And no need to discuss. Array, should I take oral test? Come. 1-to-1, proper. Done? Oh, ho, 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 okay, later. Next. Got it? What's the point? Closely monitoring the progress. Correct? Next. Who got it? Remain ahead of. Next. Next. How you give response from your this dirty mouth? Response. Correct? Next. N2 arrow. Next. Oh man. Next. How many points done? 6. Okay. Next. Ethical leadership like model corporate citizen. Next. Seven points done. Last point we will write last. Ah. Alert opportunities. Done. And solving out issues. And last point, you know how to write. Pushing for strategy execution. In between there is CA. Next. Ready? Yes or no? One more time. This answer is important. Now, try. Okay, one more time with action. But now no one will discuss. Now, two actions together, two points. Ready? Ready? Listen here. Done? 2 points done. You are not writing, my boy. Write it, man. Where is that boy Riyad? Riyas. Yes, absent. He is absent from day before. Yesterday also he was not there. अखियां तेरे से मार गया गल्ला गल्ला विच गल मार गया जनक नहन तेरे हार गया हार गया I already done. Done. And one more point. मार गया गल्ला 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 विच मार गया हार गया मार गया धड़कन कहती है दिल तेरे साथ ही रहना एक तू भी मेरा ready 4 points done huh? Now listen here one listen 6 points done. Listen now 2 points. Ready? Listen here. And done. 1 point no action. Who knows that point? And last point is always last. One more time done or done? No need to do one more time, correct? Ready? Now listen, next part. Now listen, we are doing question number 11. Super important. Responsibility of strategic leader. Same comes for MCQ, case study, but very easy. Only one main work is enough. No rough work also required. Are correct? No reply. Okay. Page number 5.53. At the bottom, a strategic leader has several responsibilities. So what he will do? He will make strategic. So he will make strategic decisions. After making the decisions, he has to implement the decision. Not understood? See, first I am making the strategy. After making the strategy, I have to implement it. Are correct? So he will make strategic decisions. Then he will implement the strategic decision, and he will formulate the policies and plans to implement the decision. Are understood? He will manage human capital, managing employees in the organization, and he will manage loud change in the organization. He will try to create and sustain strong corporate culture. See, creating and sustaining means what? Same level. The culture should give same performance. Are correct? And the culture should also give high performance every time, over time. So this is the role of strategic leader. What is the code? Listen, why this answer is easy? Because of this code. Listen here. 2SD. Why 2SD? Making strategic decision and implementing it. Correct? To manage human capital and change. To sustain strong corporate culture and up arrow. High performance. Understood? Take a book, pen, main work, draw this. Done. Next. Done. Oh yeah. तेरे विच मार गया. Ready? What is 2SD? What is SD full form? 2SD. Making strategic decision, implement it. To manage. To sustain. Strong corporate culture and high performance. Are correct? And last, if you want, you can write effective communication. Should be there. Correct?
Yes.
No reply. Okay. See, we had done question number 10th, 11th. Now we are doing very important question number 12. Transformational versus transactional leadership style. There are two leadership styles. Transformational versus, listen here. Page number 5.74. We are doing it from here. Who is talking? I think so you forgot my trailer. No problem. Bahubali 3 will come. Katappa. Now listen. Transformational leadership. There are two types of leadership. Transformational and transactional. Already listen, very easy answer. First I am teaching you basic part so you will understand. Transformational and transactional. Don't play with your hair. Listen. Transformational and transactional. Now, to motivate people, there are two skills. First, transformational. Transformational means what? Example. Come on! You are the person who can do this. Come on! You can do this. Not understood? Motivation by words is called transformation. Transactional. If you do this, reward 10,000. Not understood? Yes. If you not, punishment. Are understood? So two things to motivate people, either by words or by action. I believe by action. Every leader has different opinion. Some people believe by words is good. Are you getting my point? Yes. So, two things. Transformational leadership style uses charisma and enthusiasm to inspire people to exert them for the good of the organization. Underline charisma, enthusiasm to exert them. Whereas transactional uses the authority of its office to exchange reward such as pay, status symbol, means either giving some payment, rewards or status symbol like promotions. Understood? First point understood. Second point. Now in second point there are three points. In transformational leadership style may be appropriate for turbulent environment. Why turbulent? Environment is changing a lot. See, listen here. Our strategy, I had made a strategy considering current environment is demanding. So I decided that I will expand the business. Now suddenly Corona comes. Not understood? So transformational leadership style may be appropriate in turbulent environment. Which environment? Turbulent, where the environment is changing a lot. Turbulent environment. Environment is changing a lot. Are you getting my point? So transformational leadership style may be appropriate in turbulent environment, because when the environment is very much changing, a lot of motivation required. Are you getting my point? Whereas transactional leadership style may be appropriate in dash. Environment is already stable. Now listen, I am telling one thing. Okay. Transformational leadership is good for the industry which are at the start or at the start or the end. You know product life cycle, stability, start or end. Because whenever you start anything, you require a lot of motivation. Or whenever you are ending it, you require a lot of motivation. Come on now, last stage, do it. Are you getting my point? Yes. Whereas transactional is for growing and mature industry. Whenever you are in growth or you are at the top. Like for example, listen here. Now let us say for example, this girl, what's her name? Anupriya. One name. Okay, Anupriya. Now Anupriya rank number 1 in class. Means already she is at peak, mature. Not understood? Now I am telling Anupriya, come on Anupriya, come on, you can do it, come on. What she will tell? Oh sir, I am already at number 1. Now don't motivate me further. Now my motivation is not by words. Sir, give 1 lakh rupees, I will be number 1 forever. Not understood? So transactional leadership style is for growth or mature industry. Transformational is for poorly performing industry. Transformation, the companies which are not performing good. For example, this Al Amin, very poor boy, not studying at all. He don't know what is 2 plus 2 also. Very much dull. Now to motivate this kind of poor students, we require good motivation skills. Transformation. And transactional is good with the industry already performing well. Are you correct? Correct? Yes or no? Third point. Transformational leaders inspire employees by offering excitement. What is excitement? I am asking one student. Let me ask to one girl. Athira. Arya will tell. Arya, did you got excite in your life? Arey Arya, why are you telling your friends? Did I got excited? How they know? You have to tell yourself. Be loud. Hey, listen. Yes. What? Huh? What? For what reason? For chow chow. For eating. Okay. This boy will tell. Pakshi. Pakshi. Ever did you ever excite yourself anywhere anyhow? Foundation exam excitement. After knowing result that you passed, so you are excited. See, what is excitement meaning? I am telling you, excite. Listen. Ha. But I am telling you another level, another level. See my excitement level. No, forget. No, forget. Okay, I am telling. Chal, let us think. Suppose tomorrow there is a picnic. Suppose. And you know, tonight we not able to sleep. Because in our mind there are different bubbles forming. Example, if tomorrow there is a picnic, in my mind, our mind, some bubbles forming. What bubble? Number one, tomorrow I will sit with that girl only. Bubbles. Tomorrow we will travel together by bus, I will sit next to her. Tomorrow we will use one single earphone, one she will use, another I will use. Tomorrow we will listen to some common music. एक हो गए हम और तुम तो उड़ गए निंदेरे और कन की पायल मस्ती में जो कान 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 के रे. Then listen. Tomorrow I will tell her. Tomorrow I will give her chocolate. Arey listen. Tomorrow we will both eat in single plate. Tomorrow we will eat one common noodles. I will eat from one end, she will eat from other end, and Nirav sir will come in between. Full excitement, and with that excitement, we sleep. Now, tomorrow comes. Reality, expectation. Now, she is sitting with some another boy. I am sitting alone with these local boys. She is listening to another music and I am listening another music. Agar tum saath ho. She is eating food with some other boy. I am just watching. She is having noodles with some other boy. And I am just seeing how they both are eating. She is having a rain dance with some other boy. And I am that rain who is falling from top to bottom. So, reality is that. So, what is excitement? Excitement will not allow you to sleep. Excitement. Suppose if that excitement you got in your CA, imagine life will be different. Correct, na? Correct, na? If you want to get that excitement, change your place every day. Every day change. Don't sit with these boring people. I already told you before. Suhani, you can change your place. You will get more followers. She has one leadership skill that is very good. I like that. Are you getting my point? So change your place, sit with different people, know them, talk with them. It is not always that a boy and a girl sitting together, that means something will happen. No, you can be a good friends. But don't allow Pakshi to come. Otherwise, he will eat all the fruit of your tree. Anyways, excitement. So, transformational leader inspire employees by offering them excitement. Vision will come in chapter number 1. Intellectual stimulation. Now, what is stimulation? Listen here. Stimulation, simulation, somewhat related. Listen here. Now, I am asking Anupriya, after becoming CA, what you will do? Sir, I want to buy a house. Same thing. I will take her to the house and I will make her psychologically impressed that this house can be yours if you become CA. Not understood? Yes. That. And personal satisfaction. Are you getting my point? Transactional leader, simple. Setting clear goals and explicit rewards or penalties for achievement and non-achievement. Cut this last line. Are you understood? So there are two types of leadership skills. One is transformational, one is can't hear. Now you know there are 5 difference between points. See, I am doing highlighter. Little tough for you. First difference is here. And here. First, understood first? Second. Understood? Third. Fourth. Fifth. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth. Fifth is this. Understood? Are you understood? There are 5 differentiate between this, distinguish between. So take a book and a pen, give heading main work in T format you will write. T format understanding? Write it. Transformational left side, transactional right side. Next, ready? Next question. Done? So you have to write this difference between 5 points. I hope you understood why I use different colors. You are smart enough. No? High literacy? धीरे माचा माचंगा. Okay, no reply. So what we had done, listen now. We have done 10th, 11th and 12th. Correct? Correct.